Hello everyone and welcome to Stamping Within. It's new catalogue unboxing time. I've got a box at the side of me with various goodies inside. What shall we do first? Because I've got a surprise as well. Let's do the in colours, shall we? Yeah, we'll do those first. So I have the ribbon here. Hold those up to you. Cinnamon Cider, Misty Moonlight, Bumblebee, Just Jade, and Magenta Madness. Beautiful ribbon. What kind of ribbon is it? Polyester, but it doesn't say whether it's woven or just in colour ribbon. Okay, 10 yards. Anyway, there you go. 5 colours, 5 ribbons. Lovely. Love, love, love. With it, of course, I got the inks. So, Cinnamon Cider, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, Magenta Madness, and Bumblebee. I don't have the ink refills. To be honest, I don't normally buy them, actually, because I don't seem to, they're around for 2 years, but I've not dried one out yet. So yeah, there we go. There's not a problem with the ink refills. Stampin' Up used a different manufacturer for some of the ink refills than they'd previously used because they went out of business. The formula is slightly different, so German customs are requiring different safety data sheets for them, and that's what Stampin' Up's currently doing at the minute, which is why we don't have many ink refills available, and until the data sheets are approved by German customs and the regional board, Stampin' Up can't sell them. But as soon as they are approved, they're ready and waiting to air freight them over to Europe, so hopefully we won't have to wait too long. The paper, I won't open the paper because you've already seen it in my last unboxing, but that's just to top up what I've already got. Colours. Shall we move to colours next? Yes. We started with colour, so may as well end with colour, but we're not really ending. Not yet, anyway. A few more blends for the collection. So, what are these? Light and dark granny apple green, hopefully. Yes, there we go. Light and dark granny apple green. Light flirty flamingo and dark flirty flamingo. Can you see those? Light calypso coral, dark calypso coral. The ivory marker and the bronze marker. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I shall put them in my stamping storage. Bundles, yes. No sweets this time, but there will be a sweet coming. I did another Lord after I did this one. But there's some lovely things on clearance. I thought, yeah, why not? And it kind of spiraled again. So there's another box coming probably later on this week. Anyway, moving on. Posted for you. Sending love your way. Just a note. Happy birthday. And then love with a flower and leaves. A postage stamp punch to punch them out. Just get that off actually. I know I keep banging on about recycling. Are these bags recyclable? Doesn't say. I suspect not. Come on. So that's one bundle. I'll just hold it up again. Posted for you. Put that there. We have the Jar of Flowers bundle. meant to order this in the pre-order, but I kind of forgot. So yeah, a matching punch. Beautiful, beautiful things I've already seen with this, and I can't wait to case some of them. And you know, maybe, well, no, I will do some of my own as well, obviously, you know, but gorgeous. Goes there. Those blends there. This one, a double punch set. The first time I've had one of these. Heartfelt. Being friends is better than eating candy, but let's do that too. Why not, eh? Love you lots, love from my heart to yours. Roses are red, violets are blue. Little arrow there to go through the heart, a blank heart, and 2 punches. Oh, I just came to this. So a scallop punch, and then I'm guessing that's slightly smaller. Or is it the same size? Slightly smaller, isn't it? So it'll hopefully. I didn't mention the stamp, what the stamps were, did he? Heartfelt is our photopolymer. Put those there. Jar of Flowers is also photopolymer, so you can see what you're doing. And Posted For You is our top quality red rubber. Buying all this got me some stamping rewards. There are benefits to being a demonstrator, and we do have a fantastic offer at the moment where if you sign up to my team, you get a £130 starter kit for £99 with free shipping, and you also get to choose a stamp and die bundle or a stamp and punch bundle for free as well. You know, get in touch. Yeah, get in touch. I'd love to be your demonstrator. I was able, with my stamping rewards, I was able to actually fork out for a bundle. So the pattern play, fill the day with all your guilty pleasures. Cue the confetti, and it's got playful alphabet dies. Let me open this. I'm not sure. Oh, look at that. Oh, aren't they cute? Oh, look at that. Look at those. Aren't they cute? And we've got 2 A's. So I suspect we'll have a couple of E's as well, maybe. A couple of I's, maybe. Yeah, there's a couple of I's there. So, yeah. And some numbers and punctuation marks. Lovely. It brings me in mind of the Letters For You set, but they were big. They were 2 inches big and very nice. But these you can do more with these, I think. So I will be doing so. Put those back before they go walkabout anywhere. And then I got a surprise. Stampin' Up had a promotion on where if you sold 4 sets of a certain stamp set, you got a stamp set for free. Well, there was a little bit of a glitch in the ordering because I was asked if I wanted the stamp set. It's a free stamp set, so I thought, well, I wasn't sure, so I clicked yes anyway, and it has come, but I haven't qualified for this. But I did contact demonstrator support, and they say that there was a bit of a glitch, but I'm welcome to keep it. So thank you, Stampin' Up. Thank you, Chris, at Stampin' Up. That's so very kind of you. This is a beautiful set, and I can't wait to use it. Cling again, our red rubber. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that's my little haul. I've now got to put it all away. I've been sorting stuff out, you know, moving retired stuff out. You know, I've nearly finished. And there was some stuff for sale on my Facebook page, on my Stamping with Ian Facebook page. bundles and stamp sets and inks and things that have retired. I've not got that sorted out yet, but I will be doing. So don't panic. It will be coming. There will be some bargains. So if you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Do the bell thing, and you'll always know when there's something planned. I hope you have a lovely day, whatever you're doing, and I will see you all again soon. Bye now.